Here's exactly how I make $3,000 every single day online just by typing messages on my phone. I paid a mentor $5,000 to learn this exact strategy, and I'm giving it to you completely for free in this video. So let's get into it. So step one, we need something to sell, because if we don't have an offer, aka a service to sell, then nobody's gonna pay us for anything. So just go to dropservice.io and go to the services tab. And in here, Dropservice gives you 12 different services that you could sell as your own. And so instead of having to learn all these services yourself, which could take months, if not years, you could actually outsource your services directly to Dropservice. So let's say a business owner wants to pay you for digital ads. Don't worry, we'll give you the exact scripts in this video on how to persuade and convince a business owner to pay you for that. But just for now, bear with me, just so we have something to sell. Let's say a business owner pays you $1,500 a month for digital ads. Then you just outsource to work the Dropservice for $750 a month, and then you keep the other $750 a month as profit. And because these business owners are paying you month after month for the same exact service, then you're actually profiting monthly passive income because Dropservice is taking care of all the work, so you get to just collect cash every day. So if you're new here, you probably haven't seen my Instagram or TikTok yet, but if you see my social media, I just chill all day, every day, in the pool, hot tub, steamers, sauna. But that's because I have clients paying me month after month, and I just outsource to work, so I actually don't have to do anything. But anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. So now that we have a service to sell, you might also be wondering, but I'm a beginner. I don't have case studies, I don't have proof, I don't have testimonials. How is a business owner gonna believe me that I could actually help them? So all you do in dropservice.io is go to resources. And then because you're outsourcing the work to Dropservice, you get to use Dropservice's best proof, case studies, and testimonials under your name as well. So now you're no longer a complete ground zero beginner because you have the proof and the case studies to back up for it. And by the way, this is all moral because since you're outsourcing the work to Dropservice, Dropservice is basically your team. And so you get to say, like, this is the results your team produces. See? So now being a beginner or not having any results to show for is no longer an excuse. Because with Dropservice, you could be a complete ground zero beginner, but use Dropservice's proof as your own. So now business owners actually respect you and will give you the time of day because they see the results that you have. So now that we have a service to sell and we have the proof to back it up, how do we find business owners? Well, pretty simple. Now all you do in dropservice.io is go to the lead finder and then you type a location. So let's say I'm targeting business owners in Chicago because I live here. Then you just want to type a business owner you want to target. So let's say I'm targeting online trainers. So I'm just gonna hit online trainer, I hit search, and then boom, Dropservice gives you an infinite amount of leads that you can message. So let's say I'm messaging Body by Drake. Shout out to him, whoever he is. I hit view, then I copy and paste the website, and boom, usually you scroll all the way down and you find his Instagram. Got it. So now I have this person's Instagram. Now what do I say? Now luckily for you in dropservice.io, Dropservice gives you the exact scripts to use. You just go to Learning Center, go right here, and boom. Now you have the word-for-word scripts on what to say to business owners so that they can pay you thousands of dollars per month for your digital services that you're outsourcing to Dropservice. And so these are word for word. So as long as you could copy and paste messages, that's all you really have to do to get business owners to pay you. Crazy, right? And it might sound unbelievable, and I get it, but check out my hundreds of student results of all these people. We're talking kids from 14 years old to fathers/grandfathers that are 50 plus years old, all doing this. And forgot to mention, in 30 plus different countries. So if all these people could do it, no matter their age, location, and you don't need experience because you have proof, why can't you? Now, these exact scripts are for paid Dropservice users, but if you want the same exact script, I'm gonna be breaking it all down in my free class this Thursday. So just sign up with the link in my description. No pressure. It's not going to change my life, but I know it might change yours. But I can't control you. You do you. So again, check out the link in my description to sign up for my free class where I'll be breaking down this exact script and how to use it and give it to you completely for free. So now that we have services to sell, we have the proof to back it up, we have the lead finder to find leads for us, and we have the exact scripts. How exactly do you scale to 10K a month? Well, pretty simple. If you land a client through this exact process for $2,000 a month profit, then to get to 10K a month, all you need to do is rinse and repeat that same exact process 5 more times. So really all you need to do is land 5 clients at $2,000 a month profit, and then you're chilling. You don't have to do any more work. So that's it. So instead of having to grind month after month in every other business model to maintain 10K months, once you make 10K a month the first time, typing messages on your phone and using Dropservice, then you can basically maintain 10K months without doing anything. And that's the whole beauty about this business model. So if you are interested in a full breakdown of how this business model works, I just made a free course on YouTube breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit just typing messages on my phone. And now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. Just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's going to be saucy.